I put my heart on this, heart on this, 'cause I can't breathe. I'ma put my heart on this, heart on this, getting the best of me. While in the cell with Lil Joaquin, after I slapped him, I had told him, I don't know how you get down with them clowns, but I'm a soldier. No one could understand, I had way too much aggression that built over the years from my abandoned adolescence. See, I done been lied to, backstabbed and heartbroken. I wanted to cry, but I was too afraid to open. Praying one day I'll find a peace of mind by the ocean. I spent all my time committing crimes to get closer. While at my nana house, I play the couch staring at the ceiling, trying not to get in my feelings, thinking of a way I can make these millions. Maybe that'll take this pain away and clear up all these rainy days. Heart been broke so many times, I don't know what to believe, Mama say it's my fault, I wear my heart on my sleeve. Think it's best I put my heart on this, heart on this, 'cause I can't breathe. I'ma put my heart on this, heart on this, getting the best of me.
It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away from chase beach views and every day. All I wanna hear is an episode that we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Think of it today. Really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. I don't wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. I want you around, around. I need you around, around. I want you around, around. I want you around, come through, I think I need you here. I swear it's time to keep these feelings to myself. Now you're the one I'm thinking of. My higher ground, my rocket love. For gravity, I'd rather stay up here. We can get away from cheap beach views on a night day. All I wanna hear is the visions that we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. You wish away. Really want, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. I don't wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you.
ain't nothing. It was about 5 minutes ago when I seen the hottest chick that a youngin' never seen before. I say, yo, tell the girls I wanna meet her. On second thought, that ain't the way to go. I gotta give her game proper, spit it so she get it. There she is, I gotta stop her. Or should I talk about a smile? Or what about a style? I'm out of time, she's out the door, I gotta go for mine. Or should I talk about a smile? Or what about a style? I'm out of time, she's out the door, I gotta go for mine. Cause the girl say, yeah. And I gotta admit that you got my attention, you're making me want to say, oh. I know you're trying to leave this, I saw the dance with you. How I love you, keep you here with me, yo baby. Now so they grab hold of my hand, and let's pretend the flow is ours. You say you don't really dance, don't worry about it, we just one quick step, one quick step. Now with the music is moving too fast, grab my hand a little tighter. Don't be afraid to move a little closer. Girl, there's something about you that makes me wanna say, yeah. You're making me want to say, oh. I know you're trying to leave this, I see the dance with you. How I love you, keep you here with me, yo baby. I wanna be where you are. Ain't nothing wrong with dancing, baby, it's so romantic. Baby, I can be your heart. So many things I wanna tell you. I think that I should start by saying, yeah, oh, yeah. I gotta give her game proper, spit it so she get it. There she is, I gotta stop her. Oh yeah. Oh, how I love to keep you here with me, yo baby.
Just clap your hands like this. Just clap your hands like this. And if you shorty's in the house tonight, just grab her by the hand. Hope you can understand, y'all will leave hands like this. Y'all make it bounce like this. You gotta know it's made for you, and you wanna do everything she want to, man.
Drink dispenser right here. There it is. Just finish organizing the refrigerator.
And I know it's not no good for me, but you look so good to me. I don't need another broken auto. I ain't never seen no TV look like that.
Can you grab some bananas? Strawberries. One more. Some big ones. Some big strawberries. They have the pack where they have like both grapes. Oh, they're right there. Did you see some grapes that you want? Because you want to seeded grapes. I want to get these grapes right here. But the green was so small. Did you see you some seed grapes? All them seedless. I'm gonna try these. I'm sorry. White seedless grapes. They only sell seedless grapes. Do you want to just get one of these? The one, you know, like this? Huh? I told you, you eat the red ones though? I just wanted the green ones. Okay. So good. Oh. Got watermelon? Okay. Yeah, but I'm just gonna get a pizza for lunch today. Me and Nisha can eat this at work today. Work. I got eggs, milk.
I have to start taking my black seed oil.
Why did you get the real one? They don't have the real one?
This is the real.
Huh?
Oh, that's what got mango.
I'll tell you something else they had. Like a juice they had. Let's see. Oh, orange peach mango. I'm gonna try that one. Love. Can you give me the orange peach mango? I want to see what the other one is beside it.
Orange, strawberry, banana.
Orange strawberry banana. I'm gonna get this. Yep, I'm gonna get this one right here. I don't like orange juice. All right, you ready? Want to look at anything else? Are you ready? Okay.
How I love to keep you here with me, your baby. I think I'll say yeah. I don't know your name, but excuse me, miss. I saw you from across the room, and I gotta admit that you got my attention. You're making me want to say yeah. I know you're trying to leave. I see the plans with you. How I love to keep you here with me, your baby. I wanna be where you are. Ain't nothing wrong with dancing. Baby, it's so romantic. Baby, I can be in your heart. So many things I wanna tell you. I think that I should start by saying, yeah. I gotta give a game proper spit it.
So guys, this is my new hairdo. Came to Aldi's to get me some grapes. But yeah, let's check out of this line and go to our next stop before I gotta go to work. Okay guys, I'm back from Aldi's and this is what I got. I got some chicken wings. I got some steak fries, some orange juice, hot dogs, watermelon, some new juice. I want to try orange mango peach. I got some strawberry applesauce, and I got some other things in this bag. All right. Got some wafer rolls. I got this pizza, some flatbread because I want to make some pizza of my own. Some bananas, grapes, and strawberries. So guys, that concludes our Aldi's trip. Stay tuned to the next video.